Alrighty folks, this evening what we're going to be doing, we're going to be planting our onion seeds. And how we do that anyway, just take a pan of dirt, fill it up almost to the top, and make some little furrows through the top of it there. Pour our seeds in and just pull a little bit of dirt over top of it, not too deep, and then just let them come up, and then we'll pull them up out of this dirt and transplant them just like you would if you was going to buy bundles of the like candy onions and stuff like that there. So let's get started. Just come down through, do your little furrows here. Now this here is some of our seed starting mix that we got last year. We'll do 3 of them. Out through. Now, take your seeds. Fold this back here, that sticky don't grab the seed. Alright. Then just go down the row. Knock them in. Alright, tell you what, we'll cover these ones up. We got a few seeds left in there. Just go back behind and pull it over them a little bit there. About a 1/4 inch of it. And then we'll wet the soil a little bit more. And then put them in a warm place. And then once they do start coming up, if it's still early like it is out right now, they need probably about 12 hours of light a day while they're seedlings there. And we'll use a grow light after they do come up. And to keep them from getting leggy, what you'll do, you'll want to put the grow light pretty close to them there, like in an inch. And then that way they're not straining to get to the light. That's how you get leggy plants. They're reaching for light. Alrighty, we just got a few left in here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try it. I'm just going to pour them on top of the ground here. And this is the way we used to do tobacco seeds. And then we'd come along with a board and just press them down into the dirt. Alrighty, now what we'll do, we'll wet the dirt down again. And then we've got a little plastic cover. We'll put that over, a little humidity cover. Give us another pump or 2 here. Later on this week, folks, we'll be getting our tomato seeds started, Lord willing. This has definitely been a year you ain't been able to plan nothing. Hopefully our luck will turn around here before long. Alrighty. Now what we'll do, we'll just put this cover on there, our little humidity cover, and we'll put it in a warm place. We'll probably put this one in the bathroom. And you just want to make sure your seeds stay damp, or the soil around your seeds stay damp. And then I think it's like between 5 and 10 days they should start germinating, popping through. And like I said, once they do start emerging, you'll want to put a grow light, or just make sure they're getting plenty of sun to where they're not trying to grow towards the sun, and that's how they get leggy. Alrighty folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notifications. Tell your friends about us. And you all have a blessed day. And we'll be seeing you soon. Thank you again for watching.